Inspire. If you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. You were born to be player. You were meant to be here. This moment is yours. Life is not what you alone make it. Life is the input of everyone who touched your life and every experience that entered it. We are all part of one another. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang out. Never regret anything that made you smile. You must do the thing you think you cannot do. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. I never lost. Either I win or learn. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Getting over a painful experience is much like crossing the monkey bars. You have to let go at some point in order to move forward. Focus on being productive instead of busy. You do not need to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, but a good amount of it actually is. When someone says you cannot do it twice and take pictures. I didn't get there by wishing for it, but by working for it. She remembered who she was, and the game changed. If you are too comfortable, it is time to move on. Terrified of what's next, you are on a right track. Be happy with what you have while working for what you want. Sunshine all the time makes a desert. The big lesson in life is never be scared of anyone or anything. You are so much stronger than your excuses. Do not compare yourself to others. Be like the sun and the moon and shine when it is your time. Do not quit. Do not tell everyone your plans. Instead, show them what your results. Want choose to make the rest of my life the best of my life. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Be so good to you that's ignorant. To feel supremacy. Be so good that they cannot ignore you. Take criticism seriously but not personally. If there is truth or merit in the criticism, try to learn from it. Otherwise, let it roll right off you. This is a reminder to you to create your own rule book and live your life the way you want to live, the way you want it. If you don't get out of your box you have been raised in, you would not understand, or you won't have understand how much bigger the world is. Do the best you can. No one can do more than that. Do what you can with what you have where you are. It is never too late to be what you might have been. If you can dream it, you can do it. Trust yourself that you can do it and get it. Don't let the what you can't do interfere with what you can do. You can't do anything you set your mind to. You can do anything you set your mind to. You can do anything you set your mind to. All we can do is the best we can do. All we can do is the best we can do. You never know what you can do until you try. You never know what you can do until you try. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you did not do than the ones you did. Amen.